Okay, now let us move on to parts of a sentence. So in a sentence there are two parts. Okay, two parts. First part is subject and the second part is predicate. Okay, first part, remember one, subject, and the other part, rest of the part is predicate. Okay, so when we make a sentence, we name some person or thing. We name some person or thing and we say something about that person or thing. So when we name some person or thing, that is a subject. And what we are saying about that person or thing is called predicate. Okay? So hence every sentence has two parts. Okay? The part which names the person or thing we are speaking about. Okay, that person or thing we are speaking about, this is called the subject of the sentence. Okay, that person or thing, the main thing or the main person we are speaking about, that is called the subject in a sentence, and the part which tells something about the subject and the rest part of the sentence which tells something about the subject is called the predicate of the sentence. Okay, so two parts, subject and predicate. The first part, the first part which names the person or thing we are speaking about is the subject in a sentence, and the part which tells something about that person or something about that thing or that subject is called the predicate of the sentence. Okay, for example, this sentence is there: Aditya goes to school every day. Okay, Aditya goes to school every day. So what will be subject here? Any guesses? Yes, you are correct. Aditya. The person or thing we are talking about is the subject in a sentence. Okay, and what we are talking about, that person or thing, is the predicate. So Aditya is the subject and goes to school every day is the predicate. So what we see from this, subject usually comes before the predicate. Subject usually comes before the predicate. Okay, but sometimes in some sentences the subject comes after the predicate also. Okay, in some sentences it is like that, the subject comes after the predicate. Example, the train there goes the train. This is a sentence, there goes the train. So what is the subject here? The object or the thing we are talking about is the subject. So the train. Okay, so the train is the subject here and the rest part is the predicate. Okay, so the train is the subject here and the rest of the part, there goes, is the predicate here. Okay, okay. So that's all for today. If any doubt, you can contact me. But while contacting, please see the time.